Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make simple egg dum biryani recipe. This is a very easy and tasty egg biryani recipe. We can serve 4 to 5 people. You will definitely love this biryani recipe. Let's move to the video. To marinate the eggs in a bowl, take 7 eggs. Break the eggs with knife. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Marinate for 15 to 30 minutes. To cook the rice, in a heavy bottom pan, add 1 teaspoon ghee. Add around 6 cups of water. Add 1 bay leaf, 2 cloves, 2 cardamom, 4 peppercorns, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon salt. Mix it well. Close the lid for quick boiling. Once the water starts boiling, add 4 cups of strained basmati rice and stir well. We need to soak the basmati rice before using. Soaking for 30 minutes will be fine. Boil on high heat until it starts bubbling. When it reaches boiling point, change to low flame. Cook for 7 to 8 minutes on low flame. The rice has cooked well. Remove it into a container and strain the water. Set it aside. To fry the onions, in a pan take 3 tablespoons oil. Add 2 sliced onion. Fry on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes until onion becomes brown in color. Remove it into a bowl. In the same oil, fry the eggs we have marinated for 2 minutes. Remove it into a bowl. For egg masala, we can use the same oil. Add 1 bay leaf, 2 cloves, 2 cardamom, 4 peppercorns, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Saute for 2 minutes on medium flame. We can add the masalas for the egg masala. Keep it low flame and add 3 green chilies, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon cumin powder. Mix it well. Cook for 1 minute on low flame. Then add 1 big tomato puree. Mix it well. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 3/4 of the fried onions after crushing with your hands. Mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes. Once the oil separates, add 1 chopped potato. Mix it well. After adding potato, add half cup of water and mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Open the lid. Then add the fried eggs. Close and cook for 3 minutes on medium flame. Open the lid and add 2 tablespoons curd. Mix it well. Cook on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now take a large bottom pan and transfer the egg masala to it. add 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. Now add the cooked rice above it. Spread 1/4 teaspoon turmeric rose water. Above the rice, add remaining fried onion. Some chopped coriander leaves. And mint leaves. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Close the lid and cook on medium flame for 3 minutes, then on low flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, switch off the flame but don't open it. Keep it for rest for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Our tasty egg dum biryani is ready. While opening, we get nice smell which fills our mouth with water. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.